Welcome to the 3x3 challenge. This is Glock 9's idea, where you have 3x3 area to build a horde base. I'm fighting day 100 with my game stage being 84. I've given myself 6 weapons: the Magnum, the shotgun, the auto shotgun, the AK-47, and the compound crossbow. I've given myself 600 bullets of 44 Magnum, 600 bullets of 7.62, and 450 shotgun, 300 flaming crossbow bolts, and 100 forged steel, nail gun, medkit, first aid bandages. The plan is for the zombies to walk up this ladder to me and get shocked like that. I have 4 sets of electric fence, and then at the top I have this poorly constructed cage for birds and bars at the top. It's pretty simple. I just hope that it works. Let's find out. Alright, I already hear him coming. He didn't catch on fire. Is it because he's getting shocked? What's happening? Oh, that one caught on fire. Okay, they're working their way up pretty fast. That seemed to take care of them. The electric fence is definitely stalling them, but I don't think it's stalling them enough. Oh no. They took out one level of the electric fence already. Oh, they're moving up. Oh, it was way too early for them to be getting this far. How many electric fence do I even still have active? Not enough, apparently. So they're making it up pretty far. Oh, something I forgot to mention is I have the Horde Knight on 64 zombies. Was that a vulture? That's the problem, is that they have a way to get to the electric fences. Alright, I'm holding them off pretty well, but that's only because of the electric fences. If those give out, it's game over. I really don't think I'll be able to hold this iron or this steel bars. Oh, I don't have many 7.62 rounds left. I'm gonna switch to arrows for a minute. See how this does. Definitely a slow reload, because I can only fire 1 round. Shotgun time. I got a couple skill points here, so I'll go here real quick. That's not right. I want this. Are there more points? Oh yeah, I can kind of just blindly fire down here and kill them because they're so bottlenecked. Being in a one block spot like this. You do run through a lot of ammo though. Maybe I could add dart traps. I should have done that. I should have added dart traps. It's definitely slowing down though, because I can almost hold them off from even reaching the fence post with just the Desert Eagle. Tell you what, this thing's got quite the kick. Switch to shotgun. To be fair, this seems like a pretty easy horde. I haven't even seen any mutated. Was that it? I hear zapping. There's dogs. Dogs can't climb up the ladders. Oh no. I hear more. Oh, they're on the other side. They broke through. I hear something zapping. Yeah, these two were broken pretty quickly. Oh, it's because it's so damaged. Okay. Well, jeez, we got a lot of loot bags from that. Yeah, I don't think we did a big enough horde. I don't think my game stage was high enough. Because that was pretty easy. Alright, well, it did hold up. There are modifications I can make though. Like doing something to... Here, I'll just go creative now. Like doing something to prevent these from being reached. Because you can't build outside of this zone. So I can't put bars here because the ladder's here. I can't put bars here because the fence is here. So I'll have to figure out a solution to that. What if I put them on the corner block? Can they connect through like that, do you think? Like if I put one on this block, and I put one on that block, and then the sides were filled in so the zombies could see them, but the fence post wire would go through and still shock them. Maybe I could do that, and then if I put like dart traps here with like a tripwire or something running across like this, maybe that would work. So they could be shot with dart traps, and I have the fence working without it being broken. Then the ladder and the shape of the base would stay the same. Maybe build it a little higher. Another fence post or two higher. Use the corner blocks for the bars so that nothing could get through. And definitely a higher definitely a higher game stage so that I can actually test the effectiveness of the base on a large scale board. But geez, those dogs did some damage, man. These blocks have 10,000 points and they broke one and almost broke this one too. Alright. Okay. So even though the horde was kinda easy, I'm still gonna consider that a win. Alright. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.